I can't see. They can't.
Mhm.
Jumpy.
No.
Wow, that's amazing. I can see the ring in your eyes. Like when I see the YouTubers and stuff like that with the.
Yeah.
It looks really cool. I'm ashamed that for the longest time I didn't know what that was.
What, the eyes?
Like, no, why they had the ring in the eye.
Oh.
The ring light reflected.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, wait a second.
Oh my god.
Mom, salam in your room for something. I'm kidding.
Just shut the door. Ignore how I look right now. This is gonna be a wig video. That means it's gonna be a glow up video, so y'all know it's coming. This is the box. Haven't opened it yet. It's ISEE 100% human hair. It says it's natural and comfortable. Their ISEE hair on. They have WhatsApp. They have WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I don't know why the YouTube icon looks like that, but yeah. I will link this here in the description. Okay. So as y'all can see, it says it's the waterwave hair. Before we get to the hair, it comes with a, oh no, it comes with two. I'm gonna just put this over here so y'all can still see it. It comes with two deluxe wig caps, and that's it. So this is the bag that it comes in. So I'm gonna put this down here so y'all can't see that. It comes with, like, you know, shaped like a thing inside to maintain the head shape, if that makes sense. Get it out. Okay, so this is the hair. Feels actually really soft. It looks really soft. The lace is translucent, as you can see. She is thick. She is actually really thick and really soft. Like really soft. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So yeah, I'm about to put a cap on. I'm gonna show y'all my braids. Hold up. Ooh. Okay, so I braided my hair down and gelled my edges back. Of course, that flaked. But I just braided my locks down. So I'm about to put a cap on. Y'all are gonna see me put a cap on, then I'll put the wig on. So this is my first actual wig install. Like I've worn a wig before, but I've never installed a wig, if that makes sense. So to do the wig cap, we're gonna use the wig cap that came with it. Got to be scissors and a blow dryer. It's by Conair. I don't really recommend that one though. I don't really recommend this one. It's just the only one I use. I have, because of course I have locks. So buying a blow dryer isn't really on the top of my priority list. So I'm just putting the extra one back in, putting this down there, and this is what we're left with. So we're gonna start at the front. Ooh, she is tight. She is tight. She is tight. Okay. Okay. So first we're gonna cut the ears. And now we are just going to spray.
My eyes hurt so bad.
Now we're just gonna spray and dry. I've run 3 layers of this. And make sure you dry it on full. Wow, Y'all, this is actually a really good lace. Like, you can literally see right through it. Oh, this is my first time trying on the wig, and I'm actually really loving the length. Woo! The curls, the length, it's all just coming together right now for me. Do y'all see? Oh my gosh, I haven't plucked anything. I haven't plucked anything. Now we have to cut this. We're gonna start by cutting up the middle. I did 3 layers, by the way. Cutting up the middle. Then we just cut the excess. That's why it's important that you slick your edges back so that you don't cut off your edges. So for the temporary install today, I'm just going to be using Got To Be. But when my hair glue comes tomorrow, okay, so this wig is really plucked in the front, but there's no part, which is an easy fix. I just have to pluck a part. I already parted it. I just got to pluck it. And then we'll be back adding the foundation to the roots. And yeah. Oh, no way. No way. It just exploded on me. It just exploded on me. Nice. It just exploded on me. Very, very, very nice. I'm just gonna use what God gave me. And put it on. Dude. I have to use this brush because I don't know my makeup brushes. Alright. We'll get it off my legs. Believe me, I don't wear makeup, so. Okay, now let's see how this after it goes right in. Now let's see how this looks. The lace. Okay, so to fix this, what do we do? We add more makeup. There has been so much wrong with this video that I've been putting off editing it for 2 weeks. I'm not even wearing the wig anymore, and I felt like I kept that wig forever. But it's because of moments like this. I've been trying not to edit stuff out because I want it to be like raw, because that's like the vibe of my channel. But obviously, if you're looking at the camera and you're looking in the mirror and you see all that extra lace, all that extra stocking cap, you should have cut it. I had like stocking cap right here and stocking cap right here. You can obviously see that. I just should have cut it, but I didn't. So yeah, and I never figured out that that was the fix. First, we're gonna wipe the makeup because, like I said, this is my first time doing this, and I don't know if putting free spray on top of the makeup on the wig will make it stay, if that makes sense. So see, it came off. It came off just with a simple wipe. This is a Cetaphil wipe, if y'all are wondering. It matches me so well, and I just eyeballed this off Amazon. So, like, I'm talking about the makeup. So I just had an aha moment. I was seeing people do this in 3 pieces instead of 1. That seems like the easiest way. Oh my god, that's so far. Yeah, right here. Okay. Let me get the spray. We're gonna do the middle first, obviously. Okay, so now we're gonna get the same wipe and wipe the glue off of the actual hair, and then we're gonna put on the headband thing. I don't know what it's called. First, let this cure kind of. I also got this off Amazon. Okay. Now I'm gonna let this cure, and we're gonna see what we're working with in like 30 minutes. Okay, so it looks good to me. All I have to do now is go in with a Cetaphil wipe up like glue and stuff. Personally, I'm gonna leave the edges just like this. I don't want my edges done. That makes sense. Bro, why is this foundation not coming out? Alright, bet. So yeah, this is the finished product. It is so cute to me. I'm leaving it without a part. I don't know if I said that, but I'm leaving it without a part. So cute to me. I gotta go back in and redo that piece, but other than that, this to me is a look. Like, Like this is a look. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. Yeah, this is gonna go before the outro. What I have to say, this is my review of the hair. This hair is so bomb. I prefer the puffy look. Like, I prefer it to look big like this, but this in the back is how it looks like without, I just haven't combed the back through. So that's how it looks like when it comes. Well, let me rephrase that. That's how it looks when it's wet, because I've wet this and I've washed it and I didn't do anything to the back, but I have brushed out the front to get the look that I desired. But it looks bomb. It feels bomb. It's not like heavy or anything. I don't know what else I really have to say. I just really love the hair. Shout out Kayla Monet for recommending the hair to me. She didn't recommend it to me, but she sent it and I saw it, so I went and ordered it. And I will definitely be ordering from them again because I'm just so surprised. And yeah.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.